There's nothing cozier than a bowl of homemade tomato soup. Today I'll show you how to make it creamy, rich, and full of roasted flavor from scratch. Start with about 2.5 pounds of ripe tomatoes, halved or quartered. Add half a chopped onion and 4 cloves of garlic. Drizzle everything with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Roast at 400 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and lightly charred. After those roast, melt a tablespoon of butter in a pot over medium heat. Add the second half of your onion and cook until soft, about 5 minutes. Then stir in a tablespoon of flour. Cook for 1 minute to form a light roux. Add your roasted tomatoes, garlic, and all their juices into the pot. Pour in 2 cups of broth, chicken or vegetable both work. Add a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity. Add about a teaspoon of dried thyme. Bring to a simmer and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes so the flavors can come together. Blend until smooth and silky. You can use an immersion blender or a regular blender in batches. If you want it extra smooth, strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Return the soup to low heat and stir in half a cup of heavy cream. Now for the secret ingredient. Add a pinch of MSG for a rich, savory boost. Taste and adjust your seasoning. A little more salt, pepper, or sugar if you'd like. And that's it. Creamy, homemade tomato soup. Made from scratch and full of roasted flavor. Simple, cozy, and perfect for any day of the week.